Everyone, welcome to the Doubtlet. In this video, we will learn how to find the area of any triangle by using Heron's formula. The basic formula to find the area of a triangle is 1 by 2 multiply by length of base multiply by length of height of triangle. But in any case, if base, length and height is not given and the sides of a triangle are given, so suppose this is the triangle ABC and the length of all the sides are given, then we will use Heron's formula to find the area. So in that case, area is S multiply by S minus A multiply by S minus B multiply S minus C, and we have to take the square root. So this is the formula that is given by Heron's to find the area of such triangle whose length of sides are given. And what is S here? So S is the semi-perimeter. And we can calculate the semi-perimeter as sum of the length of the triangles of the triangle, sum of the length of the sides of triangle divided by 2. So this is the semi-perimeter. So in any case, first we have to find the semi-perimeter and then we will apply the formula to find the area of triangle. So here is the example given. So we will try to solve this by using Heron's formula. So the length of sides are given. So suppose let's draw a triangle. So the lengths are 4, 3 and 5. So if we will try to find the semi-perimeter, so what we will get? This is 4 plus 3 plus 7 divided by 2. So it is basically 7 plus 3, 10 plus 14. So it is 7. So if now we need to find the area, so what we will use the above formula. So we will replace the values 7 minus 3, 7 minus 4 and 7 minus 5. And we have to take the square root of this. So if we will take the square root, so it will get 7 multiply by 4 multiply by 3 multiply by 2. So the area is 7 4 the 28, 28 multiply by 6. So 6 8 the 48. So it is 168. So we can write this as under root of 168 centimeter square, because centimeter is the unit of the length. So this is the area that we have obtained by using the Heron's formula. So I hope you have got the concept what I am trying to deliver in this video. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. I have also drawn a calculator based on this concept and I will provide the link of that in the description below. You can go and visit that calculator. It is free of cost. Thank you very much.